Eric Omondi here. On the 10th of February, I'll be walking from Nairobi, Nyayo Stadium, to Mombasa at Mama Ngina. I'll be covering a distance of 486 kilometers. And remember, this is a walk of love because we are doing this during Valentine's. I'll be arriving in Mombasa on the 14th of February. We are doing this walk to raise funds to build the Sisi kwa Sisi Help and Rescue Center. The Sisi kwa Sisi Help and Rescue Center will be a place where Kenyans will find help. So far, we have been able to handle 208 cases in 2 years. And there are still more cases pending. There are still more Kenyans who need help. There are still more Kenyans who need rescuing. So Sisi kwa Sisi Help and Rescue Center will have a warehouse, we'll have 2 ambulances. In the future, we'll even have a school and a clinic. There are so many Kenyans who want to donate to us in kind. There are people who have offered us bags of cement, mabatis, unga, rice, sugar. Kenyans have called us and want to donate. So we'll have a very big warehouse at Sisi kwa Sisi Help and Rescue Center.
Imagine walking from Nairobi to Mombasa on foot, over 480 kilometers. Now, imagine doing it with an injured leg, blisters, pain, and exhaustion, but still saying, I must accomplish this mission. That is exactly what Eric Omondi is doing right now. He started this journey on 10th. Up to now, he is still walking. But why is he doing this? Who is supporting him? And what is the real agenda behind this journey? Let's talk about it. Eric Omondi officially began this walk on the 10th, leaving Nairobi on foot, heading to Mombasa. A distance more than 480 kilometers. This is not a short charity walk. This is days and days of walking under the hot Kenyan sun on highways facing fatigue and physical strain. And as we speak, he is still walking. One of the most emotional and concerning parts of this journey is the leg injury. Videos and photos show blisters on his feet, swelling, difficulty walking, long distance trekking causes serious body strain. But despite the pain, Eric said something powerful. He must accomplish the mission. That statement shows mental strength because many people quit when pain begins, but purpose pushes you forward. This walk is not for entertainment. Eric says he is working to stand with ordinary Kenyans, especially the youth struggling with economic hardship. He wants to highlight high cost of living, youth empowerment, financial struggles, voices of the common mwananchi. So this journey is symbolic. Walking represents the daily struggles citizens go through trying to survive. Eric's agenda is social awareness and advocacy. He wants leaders and the nation to pay attention to the struggles affecting citizens, using his influence not just for comedy, but for activism. He is pushing conversation around economic relief, youth empowerment, accountability, and citizen welfare. And whether people agree or disagree, the conversation has already started nationwide. Another big question people are asking, what will the money be used for? Eric has indicated that funds raised during this journey will support vulnerable Kenyans, including helping struggling families, supporting youth initiatives, community empowerment, and relief support for those hit hardest economically. So, the work is both awareness and fundraising for social impact. He has also received support from fellow celebrities and public figures. Some have joined him on parts of the work, sent motivational messages, donated supplies like water and food, amplified his cause online. This kind of industry support increases visibility and strengthens the mission. Kenyans online are divided. Supporters say he is using his platform well. He is sacrificing for Mwananchi. He is speaking for the voiceless. Critics say it's publicity. It won't bring policy change. But here is the reality. Any bold action will always attract both support and criticism. What can we learn? Number 1, purpose gives strength. Even with injury, he continues. Number 2, sacrifice attracts attention. Comfort never drives change. Number 3, influence can push impact. Celebrities can spark dialogue. Unity matters. Support strengthens movement. Number 5, never quit mid-journey. The destination is worthy the pain. As Eric Omondi continues his walk from Nairobi to Mombasa, injured but determined, this journey has already made history in conversation, if not yet in destination. It is more than a walk. It is a statement, a sacrifice, an awareness campaign, and a symbol of resilience. Now we wait to see. Will he complete the journey? And what impact will it leave on the nation? Let me hear from you. Do you support his mission? Would you work for a cause you believe in? Comment below. Let's talk. If you enjoyed this reaction, like, subscribe, and share. This is Kenya TV, where we react, learn, and grow. See you in the next video. And remember, every long journey is completed one painful step